to another video. Yeah, it's me, Lawrence, actually. And guys, help me. I'm the police. I'm in jail. I hate it. I hate it. Cause today we are gonna play. So I have like an action explosion on my chest, but we're playing jailbreak. Blue vision. What does this mean? Oh, mysterious stuff is going on in my potatoes. I punch someone. Press F. For what? Whoa. Yeah, boy. That's what's up. C for this. Boop. And shift for running faster. Whoa! You press forward and no. How are you there? Are you in the nihilist of this place? No, that's it. I think I could use a trampoline. Oh, guys. Let's do this. Dun dun dun. Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum! Yes, we can do this! It's just our booty. As in butt. Whoa! I thought it was the other side. No, but no. We do need the key cards. We need to get it from the officer's back. Officer's back. It's snowing! It's not even Christmas anymore. It's already January 25. Yeah. I need to go there. Bum bum. Bum bum. Hey, boom boom. It's even a map. Bum bum. Guys, I just want to get out in this whole world of jails. Not for this man! Woo! Yeah! Whoa! We can do this! Come on! I believe we can fly. Whoa! I'm still going. I'm still going. Infinite loop. No, we were close. We're just flying in the air. No. We can be live. What's going on? No, we need some training montage. Training montage. You have to train whenever you want. Wait, this will work. Whoa, it does work. It does work. It does work. Oh, we're just walking sideways. Yay, we exercise our feet. Ow is for this goes. No! How about these? Only these work? Oh. Oosh. We can have freedom again. Whoa, what's going on? Imagine we went there, we could like do super speed and go there. Oh, it's a really great idea. Super speed, Sonic. Boy, no! I was close. And then when they go to the flags, and then boom! I would like be insane. Like, whoa! And I would escape. And I'm so slow now because I kind of did so slow. I think my legs need something. Leg. Yes, I'm doing it. Getting faster, boy. Like a real boy. Oh, it's time for bed. Head to yourself. Oh, the guy even has explosion too. Oh, most wanted. Man, he was like him. Oh, that's a really nice t-shirt. I gotta lie. Okay, sleepy time. Lie down. Okay, maybe the real shift. Shift? Oh, I meant C. Like my butt. Oh. Hey, you know who's ready? You know who's? Yes. And that is... You know what it is? Dun. No. Dun, dun, dun. My booty, which is my butt. Ooh. My butt. Dude, no, it was you all along. Wait a minute. What are you doing that toilet? Is that really a toilet? I'm just gonna lie, that might be toilet. What's going on? I didn't do anything wrong. Hey. Oh, what's going on? I went to a secret place. I didn't know that thing. It helped me. Whoa. Dun, dun, dun. No, it didn't help me. That's it. I'm doomed. Goodbye, cruel world. I can only see just everything. Defeat. No! How could someone possibly just defeat me without... So... Something really weird. Oh, I like this blue. This blue is so cool. It's like Roblox. Oh. What? What is it today? Oh, a cup! This blue! You need the blue. A cup! He's aggressively trying to... No, I need a key card! Guys! Let's do this! Do this! Let's do this! With E. I want to press E. E. No. Oh, we just went over there. E. Grab. We're getting grab. Oh, we're loading on me. Come on, we can just get it. E. Come on, E. We need that, guys. We need it. E. Do we have it? No. E. We have no opinion. We will attack. It's for revenge. No, the train has died. It's like a beast. I haven't died yet. You will not kill me. I will avenge it. Ooh. Vice stars. But we have no time for that. I'm pressing the wrong button. Pressing D. Oh, here. There he is. Where did that rascal went? No, how can I even not go there? Yeah, boy, you shoot it. Shoot with the bullets. Don't even kill me. Oh, please don't push me. I will push you. What would... Fire this. Fire the hole. Bang. I could understand that. Oh, goodness, just using gun and... right there. I wonder what's in here. How did they want in there? I want to do that. You must have a card. Oh, police! One police is just coming up. And E. We need some E. No! Go! Is it how? Oh, only police. No! Oh, get him! No! Breakfast and he just died. Right there. Oh, air! Release in... Oh, a second! You gotta be kidding me. Just a second? Okay, in 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2... Go! We need to get those police. We need to get them. We are really bad. Like, really bad people. I'm not complaining But unless we have to do it. Just do it. I will not make my dreams be dreams. I'll make my dreams be awesome Roblox. There's one police. Hey, bro. Good to see ya. Police, yes, you're helping me. That was jackpot. I was gonna say jackpot. My jackpot can fly. I believe I can fly out. No, this guy just got fired. No, I must wait a minute. This is just going around in circles. And I just wait and just get this. Oh, in your face! I can just get you right now. No, maybe not. Oh. Now I am getting it whenever. Oh, you just got served. Yeah. Eat. Why can't I just grab it? No. I can grab from this guy. No, I don't want any trouble. I just want to say, hey man, the laser zapper thing. Oh, hey, oh long. Oh, I hate this. Oh, this guy is so annoying. How am I supposed to get it? Huh? Hi. This guy looks so weird. No! Why do I hate this place the most? Of course, that guy, he always keeps on getting her out. It's so annoying. Just here, you see here in the cafeteria, everything's like lagging. But just because I'm mad. Come on. It's not my fault I did everyone. Oh, rats. Alright, fine. I'll do what is best. Really hate it. Look at these guys. Most wanted. Oh, okay, one more thing, and then I'm gonna end the video. Just gonna get a cop. First I'm gonna go to trampoline, and then get the cop. Oh, I hear gunshots. It's coming from this way. No! Cops! I must go there. Dun 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 dun. Down. They're right over there. It's snowing. It's Christmas. A bad Christmas. So this must be no. That cop! He's my own lucky chance. Lucky chance. No, I must. Wait a minute. I just went past him. No, I locked myself. Oh, never mind. I can just get him. No. Did you get that? Something, I don't know if you guys read it. No. Oh, that was my only lucky chance. And they blew it. My only lucky chance. My lucky chance. To do it. I hate it. But I don't want to lag. I just need to relax and sit down in the chair. Keeps him. I just need to relax for a minute. Just relax. Think about what should I do next. Like literally do next. Why does this doesn't go down his mouse? I think I need to do. But guys, I pray that has to be all of it. So if you guys do like the video and subscribe, and I gotta do other Roblox games that I would literally want to do. So like yeah, hopefully you like the video, and guys, goodbye.